Corespinning it with wool over top, and then I'm going to dye it with plant dyes. And I did check with ChatGPT or something that says that you can dye with plant dyes with these yarns. So we're going to see if this works, and I have a tester to see if it does reduce the electrical interference that bothers me. So I'm on an experiment here to make some new cloth. So with Corespinning, the main thread, the binder thread, is in the middle, and I just feed this on, and I just gently pull the fleece out of the little roving in my hand.